Welcome back to our channel, where your financial well-being is our top priority. Today we re-diving into a topic that holds the power to transform your financial life: attracting wealth. It's no secret that money plays a significant role in our society, and having an abundance of it can open doors to a world of opportunities. But what if I told you that there are certain actions you've been overlooking every day that could be blocking your path to prosperity? In this eye-opening video, we will reveal 5 surprising daily actions that are keeping you stuck and preventing you from experiencing true wealth. These actions might seem insignificant on the surface, but they can have a profound impact on your financial destiny. Get ready to challenge your perspectives and discover the subtle changes that can make a world of difference when it comes to attracting abundance into your life. Action No. 1. Failing to plan and set clear goals. The first action that might be holding you back is failing to plan and set clear goals. In the realm of attracting wealth, planning and goal setting are your guiding stars. Without them, your efforts are scattered and unfocused. Take a moment to reflect on your own habits. Do you find yourself drifting through days without a clear sense of direction? Maybe you wake up each morning without a list, jumping from task to task as they come up. While this approach may seem spontaneous and carefree, it's actually a silent barrier to your financial success. Planning allows you to visualize your path to prosperity by breaking down your larger financial aspirations into smaller, achievable steps. It gives you a roadmap to follow, a set of milestones to look forward to, and a way to track your progress. When you lack a plan, you're essentially letting chance determine your financial trajectory. You might find yourself working hard but not necessarily moving closer to your desired level of wealth. Take the case of 2 individuals, Alice and Bob, both of whom aspire to become millionaires. Alice spends time each week planning her finances, setting clear savings goals, and investing wisely. Bob, on the other hand, lives paycheck to paycheck with no real plan for building wealth. Over time, Alice's focused planning pays off. She steadily grows her wealth through smart investments and disciplined saving. Bob, without a clear roadmap, struggles to make ends meet and finds it difficult to save any money. Alice's intentional planning enables her to break free from the scarcity mindset and embrace the abundance that comes with financial stability. Action No. 2. Living beyond your means. Another action that can hinder your path to wealth is living beyond your means. It's easy to fall into the trap of keeping up with societal pressures and maintaining a lifestyle that stretches your finances to the limit. But doing so can be a silent killer of your wealth-building dreams. Living within your means means spending only what you can afford based on your income and expenses. It requires self-discipline and a conscious effort to resist the temptation to overspend. By understanding your financial limits, you prevent yourself from accumulating unnecessary debt and ensure that your spending aligns with your financial capabilities. This practice not only helps you avoid financial stress, but also provides clarity on where your money is going, enabling better allocation towards savings and investments. Imagine 2 individuals, Charlie and David, both earning similar salaries. Charlie, mindful of his finances, lives within his means, saving a portion of his income each month. David, on the other hand, succumbs to the allure of a lavish lifestyle, buying expensive items on credit and constantly seeking newer, better things. Over time, Charlie's savings grow, allowing him to invest and build long-term wealth. David, burdened by high-interest payments on his credit cards and loans, struggles to keep up with his lifestyle. His dream of owning a home or starting a business remains just that, a dream. Charlie's ability to live within his means sets him on a path to financial freedom and long-term prosperity. Action No. 3. Neglecting your financial education. In today's rapidly evolving world, financial education is paramount yet often overlooked. Just as you wouldn't ignore your health or relationships, you shouldn't neglect your financial literacy. Making a commitment to continuous learning in the realm of finance can significantly impact your journey towards wealth creation. Start by dedicating even just 15 minutes each day to reading books or articles on personal finance, investing, or entrepreneurship. Consistent investment in your financial education will pay dividends in the form of a more secure future. Knowledge is the bedrock of financial empowerment. When you educate yourself about personal finance, you gain the ability to make informed decisions about saving, investing, and managing your money. Consider two individuals, Eve and Frank, who both work hard and earn decent salaries. Eve, recognizing the importance of financial education, dedicates time each day to learn about investing and growing her wealth. Frank, however, neglects financial education, thinking that earning a salary is enough. Over time, Eve's knowledge enables her to make smart investment choices, which grow her wealth. She's able to retire comfortably. Frank, lacking financial know-how, struggles throughout his career and even into retirement. Eve's commitment to lifelong learning in the field of finance sets her on a path to a more secure future and financial independence. Action number 4. Not keeping track of your expenses. Another daily action that can unknowingly hinder your journey to wealth is not keeping track of your expenses. In the quest for financial prosperity, being mindful of your spending habits is crucial. Many people lack a clear understanding of where their money goes each month, which can lead to overspending and hinder their path to wealth. Keeping track of your expenses involves monitoring your spending patterns and categorizing them to understand where your money is allocated. This practice helps you identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary purchases and allocate those funds towards savings or investments. Imagine two individuals, George and Henry, who both earn similar incomes. George diligently tracks his expenses, recognizing that managing his finances effectively is key to building wealth. Henry, on the other hand, is careless with his spending, often buying items on impulse without considering the broader implications for his financial health. Over time, George's meticulous tracking enables him to spot areas where he can reduce expenses and save more, allowing him to invest in his future. Henry, burdened by his poor spending habits, struggles to save money and find himself trapped in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. George's commitment to tracking his expenses sets him on a path to financial stability and wealth creation, while Henry's lack of financial discipline keeps him stuck in a cycle of financial struggle. Action: no. 5. Fear of taking financial risks. The final and perhaps most common action that keeps you stuck is the fear of taking financial risks. The truth is that avoiding calculated risks can significantly hinder your ability to attract wealth into your life. Many people play it safe, sticking to low-risk options that offer minimal returns and preventing them from experiencing substantial financial growth. Taking calculated risks, on the other hand, opens doors to higher potential returns and greater financial opportunities. It's essential to assess the level of risk you're comfortable with and explore options that align with your risk tolerance. Remember, true wealth is often found beyond the comfort zone of guaranteed outcomes. Two individuals, Isabella and Jack, both with similar financial backgrounds, find themselves at a crossroads in their careers. Isabella, driven by her desire for financial freedom, takes a risk by leaving her stable job to start her own business. Jack, afraid of taking financial risks, chooses to stay in his secure but unfulfilling job. Over time, Isabella's willingness to embrace risk pays off. Her business thrives, generating substantial income and long-term wealth. Jack, on the other hand, continues to live paycheck to paycheck, yearning for more, but held back by his fear of taking risks. Isabella's decision to leap of faith and pursue entrepreneurship sets her on a path to not only greater wealth, but also personal fulfillment. Remember, wealth is not merely about accumulating material possessions, but about achieving financial freedom and security. It's about having the ability to support yourself and loved ones, pursue your passions, and enjoy life without constant money worries. The actions we've discussed today are not merely suggestions, but rather potential stumbling blocks that can impede your progress toward a life of abundance. By recognizing these actions and making conscious efforts to change them, you empower yourself to step onto a path where wealth becomes not just a dream, but a tangible reality. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. And please, give us a big thumbs up if you agree with the points we've made. We would love to hear your thoughts. So comment below with your experiences or opinions on how these actions affect your own lives. Let's engage in a meaningful conversation. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward financial wisdom and prosperity. Till next time, Keep striving for abundance and remember that every small step counts on your path to creating the wealthy life you deserve.